Hi all, it's Janae. So the question for today is, what do tuning forks have to do with building a dynamic sexual relationship? So I have a couple of different tuning forks here, and what I am hoping you'll be able to hear is vibrationally what happens between the two of them. Now, this is a typical couple, woman, man. And in this coupledom, you will hear when I hit the tuning forks that they are not at the same vibration, right? So I'm going to hit the first one. And I want you to listen to that sound. And also, if you were here, you could feel the vibration. And now I'm going to hit the second one. You can also hear that that is a very different pitch. It's a much higher pitch than the first tuning fork. But this is what typically happens in relationships. We are not attuned with each other. And when you're not attuned with each other, you're not in the flow with each other. You're not feeling connected to each other. You're not feeling the energy flow between each other. A lot of times I'll hear women in particular, most of the time say to me, I feel disconnected from my partner. I don't feel like we're on the same wavelength, right? What happens when you are on the same wavelength? So these are two tuning forks that are actually the same key. I think these are C's. And I want you to notice what happens when these are both hit. You can hear that they are both vibrating at the same level. Let me try that again. Identical, right? Identical. This is what attunement looks like in a relationship. Attunement is when you and your partner are on the same page with each other. This is what helps make sex become very, very flowy. By that, I mean, it's not feeling like, oh, what do we do now? And what happens next? There's more like an organicity between the two of you because there's very, very strong attunement. You're on the same vibrational level. You're reading each other's body's signals. You're feeling energetically and emotionally connected with each other. Attunement is one of the most important skills that you will learn in my new workshop, Passion in the Pandemic, to help you develop and maintain a dynamic, long-term sexual relationship. The program starts on August 25th or 26th. It's on a Wednesday. It runs for 6 weeks. You can join us for all 6 weeks. Or you can choose to do just the weeks that work for your schedule. I hope to see you then because I want all of you to really understand and feel what attunement with your partner is like.